everyone, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime, and it's the 5-week series. Now on week 1 you saw us organized our entryway or foyer. Week 2, we organized either our living room or family room. Week 3, we organized our kitchen. And last week was week 4, we organized either our pantry or closet. And now it's week 5, and we're organizing any space we'd like to in our home. So I'd love to show you what space I've chosen to organize this week. Come with me. Thanks, Kimberly, for hosting this collab. For the last 4 weeks, I've had a blast doing every week trying to organize a different area of my home. And this week is no exception. First, I'd love to say, in addition to the thanks to Kimberly, I would encourage everyone to go over to her channel, see the playlist that she has, subscribe to the channels that you like after you've watched the various videos, of course. And you know I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is, if you have not already done so. And if you have, a very special thanks to you. I am so appreciative. Now, let's really get started. Welcome to our laundry room. This is an area of our home that you've seen me organize so many times before. So I'm not going to be organizing the exterior of this laundry room. What I'm going to be doing is to organize under the sink here. So let's get started. Take everything out, wipe out, and of course, reorganize everything under the sink. It's not as bad as I thought, but I didn't have any shelf liners to use. I thought I had extra and I couldn't find it. And of course, we have to wait to be able to shop for that kind of stuff now. So when I'm able to go to the 99-cent store or to the dollar store, then I'll get some shelf liners and put up. What I did find underneath here, things that I hadn't even looked at in a long time. Here is some hand sanitizer. This probably had been there for so long, but it's one of those precious items which I'm sure I'll be able to use now. So these are some of the things that I had underneath. Of course, look at all these paper towels that were stored up underneath, because each time that I change the paper rack here, the paper towel, I just, if it's not enough to last for a week, I pull it off and put it underneath. And here I have 11 of these. Feel so bad about that, but I won't throw these out because we definitely will be able to use them with the shortage that we have right now. I forgot to mention that this pull-out drawer here is just to keep dishcloths or tablecloths or napkins that need to be laundered, and so we put them in here. When we have enough, then we put them in the washing machine. So that's what this is here for. It didn't take very long to clean and organize this space under the sink here. I just got to the baskets that I already had in the garage and put some things in, some cleaning products in. Of course, I have pine sol here and bleach for cleaning. At the end of the day, we use that to clean the rest of the house, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to go over to Kimberly's channel. See the playlist again. I remind you to do that. Subscribe to the channels that you like. And of course, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. This is week 5, like I mentioned before. I certainly enjoyed the last 4 weeks, and I'm looking forward to perhaps next year when Kimberly does this again. So again, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless you, and we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.